The advantage to buying a duplex perhaps is your first home. And whether it's your first home or a home to get your parents closer to you, you may want to consider buying a duplex or a home with an ADU, an accessory dwelling unit. This is one of my favorite first-time homebuyer strategies, and I have several clients who are on their second, third, or fourth property this way. There are several advantages to buying a duplex, including being able to live in one side and rent out the other, buying a home with a friend, or buying a home that allows you to occupy one side while having your aging parents live in the other. Hello, this is Selland with Signet Mortgage, and in this message, I'm going to share why buying a duplex or home with an ADU may be a perfect solution for you. So what's a duplex? A duplex is a multi-family home that is divided into two separate units that both have their own entrance. The two single-family homes are either side by side and share a wall or are on different floors. Like triplexes that have 3 units and fourplexes that have 4, duplexes are confined to a single lot and considered to be a single property in spite of being occupied by 2 different families. An ADU might be more integrated in the downstairs of a home or something like that and would not have the designation as a 2-unit, but otherwise can have similar functionality. Since duplexes contain 2 complete and distinct living spaces that are occupied by separate residents, they also have separate addresses and entrances. And of course, those separate entrances allow residents to enjoy some privacy despite close proximity of their neighbors. How can a duplex be the perfect home for you? With 2 separate households, here's how you could make a duplex work for you. As a first-time homebuyer, you may benefit from living in one half of the duplex as an owner-occupant and renting out the other half to enjoy an income stream that you could use to help qualify for your mortgage. If you decide this is a good option for you, you will need to be prepared to become a landlord and take on those responsibilities. You will also be a landlord to your neighbors, so you will need to consider that. But on the long run, if you're waiting to start your residential investment portfolio, a duplex may be perfect because you could live in the home for a few years and then move on to your next home. Keep the duplex. Pretty cool. Another thing to consider is to buy the duplex with a friend. With the increase in housing prices, buying a duplex may be the perfect property to buy with a friend or family member. And think about it. You'll be able to combine your down payment, allowing to put more money down. You'll be able to split the monthly payments and live side by side with a friend, while still having some separation. Sharing the property with loved ones is another approach. Many families today, especially those in households with aging parents, are looking for options to keep the family close, but not necessarily under the same roof. A duplex provides numerous possibilities. They can be great to keep aging relatives close while everyone maintains their independence. If you're thinking about buying a duplex, there are a few pros and cons that you should consider. One of the top benefits of buying a duplex is their affordability. Per individual living space, duplexes are less expensive than a single-family home. And of course, the financial benefit depends on the state of the property, cost of repairs, and if you're renting neighborhood's rental market. If you decide to rent out the other half of the duplex, you may be eligible to write off a portion of your property taxes, mortgage interest, and maintenance costs for the rental unit. Be sure to talk to your accountant to ensure you're set up for success there. Despite the financial gains, there are also some drawbacks to buying a duplex. You may find it frustrating to have a neighbor living so close to you. There are also many responsibilities that come with being a landlord. Another advantage is purchasing a duplex is that you plan to live in is that you have more loan options. FHA and VA loan programs with lower down payment options only allow financing for duplexes if you plan on occupying the home too. This means you could get into an FHA loan or a VA loan with a lower down payment and purchase your duplex. Duplexes are a great choice for housing because of their versatility and affordability. However, it's crucial that you do your research and consider your long-term plans before you decide to buy a duplex. Thanks for watching. If there's anything we can do to help you with your home financing goals, please don't hesitate to call. This is Selland with Signet Mortgage, and you can find out more about us at signetmortgage.com, as well as my contact, Clay at Signet Mortgage, or 925-807-1503 is my phone. Thanks so much. I look forward to helping in any way that I can. Take care.